Here, coming on today with some thank yous. This particular one, I've had for a while and I kept forgetting to give her a shout out and tell her thank you. And this comes from Miss Puff Creative Corner. And I won on her channel and she sent the cutest card. I thought this card was just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love the stamp set. I love this little like open box here, just so cute with the fall leaves there and a little bitty gem there. And then she left it blank in the inside. I think she's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Person, you can go over to her channel. I'll have it linked down below. I'm not definite, but I think she is. And this little card says, I made this card for you, but left it blank inside. So you can put a stamp on it and give it another ride. Well, the buck stops here because it's not riding nowhere. I love this card. It is just so cute. So cute to me. So yes, this will be in my stash. Anyways, and then this is what I won, which has this beautiful little ribbon there. I'm going to reuse that along with that Enjoy. And look at those iridescent gems. I love this. The colors are so beautiful. So love that. And then today, went to my post office box and lo and behold, someone snuck this on in on me. Shatavia, I haven't sent you off your package yet, and you sent me another one. Anyways, love this because she has those little flowers on it, and I'm just now going to see this for the first time. So forgive me if I'm a little bit excited. Let me take this out. Yeah, the box got a little bent up on its journey here. But anyways, let's jump into this. Let's open up the card first. Oh, and the card got bent. I could tell it because the box got a little bent. Give me just 1 second. She had that little stamp on the back side. Anyways, the card got a little bent. Oh, look at this. Oh, and it's bent. I'm so upset. I love this when I seen it on her channel. I thought it was the cutest. Oh, that's so pretty. That is gorgeous, isn't it? I'm trying to open it. And like when it got bent, it stuck together. I had it upside down. Anyways, look at this. It's just the cutest. It did get a little bent. Oh, and anyways, look at those. Look at those lemons. Look like she inked them up or put a little bit of iridescence on there and inked it up there. And then added some little diamond dots there. They got a little gem on these little flowers here. Just so pretty. I'm just so upset that it got bent. Anyways, and then here it goes. Hi, my friend. Just wanted to send you a little something. Your friend Tay, Cuddle Me Clay Tay. Love it and love this stamp set there. Love that. And she had handmade with love from Cuddle Me Clay Tay. Love that. Love it. So let's get into this. Forgive me if I get a little excited because I know I take it overboard. Oh, I'm already excited. Look at this. So cute. Oh, I hate that this got a little bit. But anyways, love that. Look at that. Little flamingos there, blue skies. Oh, just kind of puts you in the mind of Florida, doesn't it? Love that. Oh, where should I go next? I think I'm going to go here. Oh, thank you so much, Tay. Anyways, there goes another one that kind of matches. Well, they're a matching set. Yes, they are. Look at that. Too cute. She added some little gems on there. Those are really pretty. These got a little iridescent feel to them. Added some flowers and that little palm tree there. Just really pretty. And that came with this little clip pin on top. Let's see what's in the inside. Oh, okay. We have a purifying grapefruit sheet mask. Okay. Guess I'll be trying that out. I've never done the sheet mask thing, so we shall see. This will be a first for me. All right, let's get into this. Oh, these look so beautiful. Oh, Tay, I have to say, I hoard your stuff. I just really do. And when I use your flowers and then send it off, I'd be like, oh, there goes another set gone. But I have a lot to give away though. But anyways, look at this. Now this is the set. I believe some of this is from Scrap Diva 29 set, and she's used these little shovels there. I remember seeing it on her channel. This is gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Look at those flowers. And if you don't know, she makes her own flowers. She sells her flowers, and I'm telling you, her stuff goes quickly. You have to be on it. I love this. It's so pretty. So, so pretty. Love it. And this is on the My Favorite Things die back here. And then she added some flowers, a little seashell there. Oh, love this. Look at the flip-flops there. So, so cute. I love that. And then she sent another one. Just so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I could put these on top of toppers there. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. Let's get this one out a little bit because it's underneath. Oh, oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I love nautical. Oh my gosh. And here it goes. Just right in my face. Love this. It is gorgeous. I love her layering. It is absolutely stunning to me. And I can put those on top of bag toppers or even on a card. It's just gorgeous. However, it will be in my stash for a while. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I wanted to talk about this and I seen that. I love this. Oh goodness. Love this. Love this. I'm speechless. This is so pretty though. I love, love, love this. I love your work, Tay. I love it. Love it. I'm going to save that for last. Oh, and then look at this gorgeous pen. Got a little pineapple on top. And it's like a rose gold. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. I'm going to show my daughter this. She'll probably get jealous because she loves pens. And then I got some flowers. Of course, I'm going to hoard these. These are gorgeous. This is a new one. Love that. Gorgeous flowers. Absolutely stunning. Love them. And then, oh my gosh, I almost bought this. And if she did not send me this, oh my gosh, did not have this in my stash. And I have been wanting it. And I noticed that it was at Hobby Lobby. And I've been trying to wait until Hobby Lobby has their 40% off. But I've kind of heard that they're changing things and it may not happen. So now I don't even have to purchase this. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I love everything. I love everything. Oh my goodness. Thanks so much, Tay. And also, I'll have her link down below. So if you don't know who she is, I'm going to help you out. Leave the link down below so you can go over, follow her on YouTube and Instagram, because she does some amazing work. And then I'm also going to have Miss Puff Creative down below. Make sure you check her out as well. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Thank you. Thanks, Tay. I love everything. Thanks so much, Creative. Miss Puff Creative. Love, love, love the iridescent pearls. I'm just so excited. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye.